Hi, my name is Herman, and this is a quick demo of my Chrome extension, Chart Maker, a super fast way to create a clean chart. First, I open the Chrome Web Store and install Chart Maker. It's very easy. Click here and add extension. A few seconds. A little instruction about pinning of my extension. You can click this puzzle button and find the Chart Maker. Click here. Okay, now you have fast access to my extension. You can click it and write title of your chart. For example, customer data. After that, you can choose one of two options: how to enter dataset, manual entry or paste from clipboard. For example, manual entry. You can click it and you can write labels and values of it. For example, phones 400, for example, emails 654, and home addresses 53. After that, you can click generation button and you can see your pie chart with legend and with title and with visualization. You can click on download button and choose resolution, for example 2000. A few seconds and you can see it on your storage. You can click here and after that we can copy image. It's very easy, and after that we can use it everywhere. For example, Google Sheets, you can replace it everywhere you want, and a Google document, for example, like this. Yes. And also you can enter datasets not manually, but with pasting from clipboard. It's very easy, super fast method. For example, we can add dataset, labels and values. We can just copy it, Control C. And after that, we need just to click on this button, paste and generate one time, and that's all. And after that, we can see a visualization of our chart. We can see title of this chart and the legend of this chart. You've got an options of download. 2000, for example, a few seconds, and we can download it on our storage and use it everywhere we want. Thank you very much. We are actively improving this product, so tell me in the comments what features you want next. To try it yourself, search Chart Maker in the Chrome Web Store and install it. Thank you very much.